Zoto Wabantu. The first thing that comes to mind when I think of her is a stripper.
Naked, actually.
The first thing that pops up when I think about Zoto Abantu is getting the money, doing whatever you need to do to get the money.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the second season of Behind the Story right here on MTV Base. My name is Pearl Tusi. I am the real Black Pearl, and we are not playing games this season. We're kicking it off on a very, very high note. You know, Sisi, or fabulous, you know, Sisi, or controversial, you know, Sisi, or ngasabi luto, you know, Sisters Jela, who's gonna make sure that tonight, you and everyone watching the show tonight is entertained. And if you want to join the conversation, it's really easy. We are at MTV Base South. Make sure you hashtag Behind the Story. I'm at Pearl Tusi, and she is Zotwa Wabantu.
Thank you, girl. Thank you.
How are you,
I'm
gorgeous?
Okay, sweetie. Thank you.
Are you good?
I am.
Usiphethe kahle?
Sengizoziphatha kahle. Sengikwazi ukuhlala nawe.
But yini ukuziphatha kahle kwena?
There's no such thing as uziphatha kahle.
Really?
I think abantu ba-actor engathi baziphethe kahle then behind closed doors. So mina ngiloye mini, everyone knows ukuthi ngenzani.
Well, it's so nice to finally ngihlale phansi nawe sixoxe.
Thank you so much.
The first time I met you was in a club, if I remember. It was Tira's birthday.
Yeah, but behind the scenes, we MTV Base, Mnet.
There's also that. But the first time I definitely spoke to you was, or watched you in action properly, was at Tira's birthday party at that place. It's taboo. So, and there I got to really see you wenza into zakho, and it was quite interesting.
Wow.
And I judged her because on that night, I didn't judge her. I was like watching her when batwati. So her thing is, I don't wear makeup. Ngumuntu wenu, ngenza kanje, and I don't play games.
Namanje ngifakwe uwe.
Ufakwe yimi?
Yes,
but ubungasho ukuthi no.
Oh, okay.
Ubungasho ukuthi awufuni. Ngiyazi wena awutshela, but we'll talk about that a little later on the show. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I want to start from the very beginning with your story, because I think you've blown up so quickly in this industry in terms of being in the public eye.
Yeah.
And I want to get into that, but I want to start at the beginning.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuqala ngokuthi wena ukhule eSoweto but bakuthole eThekwini. Awungitshele ngempilo yakho yala eSoweto.
Ngizalelwe eBaragwanath, ngikhulele eRockville Dlamini 2, ngafunda eSinawane Lenasia High. I failed my matric, ngasebenza The Rock, ngasebenza as a debt collector. Then I eThekwini with my third company as in debt collector.
So back move bakuse eThekwini.
Yes. To open a
Were you
branch.
good at being a debt collector?
I'm good at everything. Everything.
What's the secret ukuba debt collector?
Ufuneka wenza umsebenzi wakho as in all the documents that you get ukuthi uphela thusi uphila overdebted. So sizomfonela sisayithatha imoto or sayithatha indlu yakhe.
Umuntu makakubalekela awubalekele kwena?
No, asibalekeli thina. Then we have guys who will go to your house.
Bakuthole la ukhona.
Yeah.
Okay. And like early in your life ukhule Soweto walahlekelwa uma.
Yes.
Ngilahlekelwe nami uma, and leyo nto ikhulu ikaffecte kanjani wena?
Ho kakhulu ngoba I left home when I was 16. Lento engiyiyo is ile ngenze ukuthi njoba ngiphume ekhaya na 16 njoba ngisona namhlanje abantu they're saying I'm controversial, I'm this and that, whatever that they're saying on social media is because of that space or that love that I needed to get from my parents. Yeah.
So uthola ngani lo thando kubazali bakho?
No, my mom died when I was 11. So no, angilitholanga kahle because you know families, they will raise you as they want, you know, but not with the mother love.
And ubaba bakho yena?
I never knew my father. Maybe nje ngiyajola naye estradini angidibana naye. He was. I know, girl.
Oh my goodness. And ucabanga ukuthi le nto i-affecte lendlela ophila ngayo namhlanje kanjani?
No, not how I live. How I see things, how I attack life. I'm a go-getter, I'm strong, I'm not affected by life. Ngivuka happy, but the will of me ukuthi ngibe strong is because I know I have no one. So I'm always having a gun in my hand, as in yimi, you know, I have to survive no matter what.
Bekuyikuphi ekhaya uma engasekho uba bengekho?
Ekhaya mina noma besihlala eLens, Elenesia. Yeah, I'm the only child. Yeah. Then after my mom passed away, then I moved to Soweto. Yeah, Gugogo. That's where yonke into, you know, yonke into nje, you know, ufihlela unsipho, ufihlela amaqanda u2 or unikeza uqandeli 1. Nje leyo mpilo nje. Yeah, that's how I left ukuthi awu ngiyabona la ukuthi no, kuyafana mos. I might as well find my own eggs in the streets. Yeah.
Mawhamba wathuyaphi noma washo ukuthi yahamba?
To friends, no, I didn't say. I know maybe we're going to Petro stage, but look at me, you know, I'm naughty. I was hungry for impilo. I've stayed with friends. I wouldn't say boyfriends. But with boyfriends, I will just sleep with them. They will give me money in the morning. Then I will survive, you know. Renta, or sometimes maybe my friends. Then I will rent a garage or room. Then in Zojola, your rich guys, you know. Yes. Then in the morning, bangniga mavuso. That's what they call it now.
Okay.
Amavuso. Yeah.
Amavuso mina nabe ngalazo ngalazo lokho.
Yeah.
Uzodwa Libram ubevela abe uzodwa abantu emsebenzini noma ubumbeka bekusasha fierce wakho ubumbekela ukuthi mase uyogroova.
Emsebenzini benguntombazane yomsebenzi uzodwa Rebecca Libram. Then uzodwa abantu uze ngokuthi abantu they will complain about me, they will diss me, they will even noma before ningenza famous nina guys, you know, being on the papers, media, I would go out, but people they were curious about me, but abantu bengithanda, you know, which you know this girl uyaziphilela. Then Uzodwa was born like that. I wouldn't say Uzodwa was hiding as in being Sasha Face, no. Bekhona because ngiphila iqiniso, ngiphila impilo ya noma ubani, but I know sibeka iglasi lokwenza ngathi si right or si perfect, which ayikho nje leyo nto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngifunda ukuthi wena ubufika usebenze and then ifika i-month end imali yakho uhamba nayo masukhokheliwe uqonde eyadini noma kwaMax uyogroovela khona.
Yes, I will take myself to all these places. Ngithanda ikasi.
Yeah.
Angithandi indawo classy because I can't behave classy. I have this ghetto in me, you know.
What is classy? Because also lama definition akhiwa abantu ukuthi ehlisa abanye abantu.
Yeah, I know
that's
you know why I'm proud to say there's classy and there's ghetto, because it's the things that have been said to me. Maybe how I behave or how I dress or how I look. So I really don't know. Good question that what does it mean? I don't know too, but I believe maybe umuntu ozitshelayo ukuthi ungcono komunye umuntu, but we share the same door, we share the same chair, we share the same drink. You can buy that I wouldn't say the brand. Esiphuza ngisiphuzayo. Ungasiphuza. So yini le different phakathi kwalo muntu loyo oku Instagram na ku Twitter, you know. So ngizama ukubenzela ngconywana ukuthi you know what, if I'm not classy, I'd rather be ghetto, so I'll carry that drink. You can have your champagne if it makes you feel like you are better. So bonana phambili, you know.
Yeah. So I want to go back again quickly kule nto ukuthi ubuhlale uzodwa abantu ne even usasebenza kwi corporate industry masebeye kanjalo.
Yeah.
Uzodwa uhluke kanjani ngisho abantu from back then, because I'm sure le industry kwenza ukuthi uziqoqe futhi le industry I'm sure alawela ukuthi umane ube uwe ngaso sonke isikhathi nginamanga noma ukhona umehluko noma awukho.
Awukho umehluko kangako because emsebenzini benginikezwa i-desk ne-computer ne-landline. Mina I always knew ukuthi guys no, hey, I feel like ngivalelwe ebhodleleni in that desk, in a computer, ngibambe ifoni. So bathi zodwa ufuna ukwenzani ngathi no, I'd rather go be the one who knocks, as in you skipped your installments, you understand, if awenzi so sizoyenza so. So bengithanda ukuba
Le nto ingakuphathi kabi ngoba phela nawe ubumuntu owakhule ngenayo imali.
Yeah.
So manje musa kwabanye abantu abangenamali ibikahle like bengakuphathi kabi ukuthi labantu ba-affecteke kanjani because you know what it's like to not have money.
Yes.
So uzwelo bekumele ube nalo noma ubungenalo yini.
Benginalo uzwelo but that's why emakhaya ngicela ukuni-advisor on this. Yabona uZodwa njoba avuka agcobisa ivaseline hayi ngoba kanayo imali. Yabona njoba uZodwa she's still keeping her hair, same face without makeup. Angifuni ukuyothenga le make kanti after 5 years nizodibana uZodwa ukuthi la Peruvian yakhe bi 18,000. Then manje after 2 years the fame is gone. So kuthiwa manje ubuyele back to her hair. So it goes to umsebenzi wami. That's why whatever that's been said about me, I'm not intimidated ukuthi nangiphuze lesiphuzo sami esu 25 rand wena uphuza ibhodlela lakho le 3,000. I don't feel any competition or threatened because I know ukuthathelwa imoto. I know ukuthi abantu sabathathela izindlu zabo. It's because baphila amanga. You understand? So emakhaya benginzwela nasinifonela then lezo zinto zenu zithathwe
Ukhona nje ufuna ukuxolisa kuyena uthi ngiyaxolisa ukuthi
no angeke ngixolise ngoba uzifakile wazi kahle ukuthi awu-afford but ngoba uthanda izinto ufuna ukuvela eTVini you actela so no go back to your basics find out ukuthi yini la if usafuna ukuhlala ekhaya hlala ekhaya don't go to ama townhouse ngoba ulapho kuleyo townhouse uZodwa udendli yakhe maybe uyarentisa uhlala edrobheni eDurban eflatini uthi ave slow lo girl akanamali uZodwa ke hayi uZodwa unayo imali ukuthi angeke ngiphiliswa amanga yini. We've seen celebrities going down then after 5 years bathi kwi-townhouse 18,000 manje seka kwi-flat le 3,000 mina ngikwi-flat le 4,000 nginama-flat futhi awu-7 engwalisile. I didn't buy them ngoba nizothi umafika izolo niseka nama-flat. No, I didn't buy them. I leased them then I opened them for student accommodation. Ngiphila impilo the way bengiphila phela. Omunye umuntu angathi ngiyahlupheka but yonke into yami in order. Akho bank ezoza kimi ithi thatha indlu yami. Akho bank ezothatha imoto yami. Yeah, because
ngifuna ukuthi sibaleke manje seyitolo ne but before siya lapho I think ngifuna ukuvala ngoba ngithanda ukuhlonipha abantu ade bekhona ne abantu abakhulisile. Ngicela nje uchazele in memory of your mother because she brought you here. And I think it's always important to just think about her and let her be a part of this to a certain extent. Ngicela uchaza nje ebantwini ukuthi uma wakho umkhumbula ewumuntu onjani.
You're making me cry. My mom was a beautiful woman. Everyone that's saying me kahle. She raised me so well. I know God. I know I lost her when I was young. But the love, the realness, to be you, to be real, she has instilled those things that no matter what, where you go, no one will take anything from you because I taught you before I die. So my mom loved me, no matter what the world says.
Thank you for sharing that part of your life with us. I'm touched. Guys, ngihleli-ke la noZodwa wabantu sizoqhubeka sixoxe. I'm very excited ukuthi abe khona la and it's an honor to have you.
Thank you so
Everybody
much.
has a story.
Thank
No
you.
matter what you see emaphepheni, ku-TV, uzwani ngabantu emgaqweni, wonke umuntu unendaba eyalala kude and that's why we are here. So please, ningayo ndawo sonithola khona manje emva kwey'tolo. Just after the break, we'll continue with Behind the Story with Zodwa Wabantu. Welcome back to Behind the Story. Thank you for staying with us as we continue with uDaba kaZodwa Wabantu. And now that we've gotten past the emotional stuff, I think it's time to have fun. Sinkomo uZodwa Wabantu ukuthi ubani-ke today. Sesikhulumile ukuthi uphuma kuphi but today. Umuntu okusize ukuthi ube khona la. Ngiyazi uzoba abomJ naboMax akade bek-inviter baze bakujabulela ngale ndlela yokuthi okay yabo lo sisi lo uyas-entertainela abantu.
Yeah.
Ithi singamcharge ukuthi aphuze. Ithi singamcharge ukuthi abe nefani yakhe because uletha abantu ngoba uzodwa wabantu. And then kwagcine correct manje wrong. Wafika kuTira wabona ukuthi ayabo ziyawa la. Ithi ngimsign lo muntu abe managed by Afrotainment. Ngimkhulise ngimandise abusiswa ngako. So uTira, what does he mean to you?
Whatever that I have is because of Utera. I was famous with no money. So Utera is the man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Angengithi uyini kimi. Yes, he's my boss. He's not my friend. I can't wake up and say, hey, Tira, skoko sami. You know, but I know ngamfonela about anything mayelana nomsebenzi or you know, yonke into nje unomsebenzi phakathi uyazithanda ukusebenza too much.
Yeah. Unomusa uTira ngiyamazi unomusa omningi kakhulu and uyathanda ukufundisa abantu.
Yes,
He loves
and he's a hard
empowering people. So
worker. Yeah.
shout out to Makoya Bearings. Siyakubona la khona.
I know he's a friend.
Ngimthanda kanjani angifuni ngaye. So wena waqala ukuthi ungasebenzi ubuzgruvela.
Yes.
And then waqala wacharge ukusebenza noTira ubuthi 5 to 15 eqaleni uma useDurban imali awusho ukuthi no uya negotiate ngayo ne sesiyakwazi lokho. And then 35 to 40,000 is what you charge today. Not sometimes you go to 25 whatever. Don't you worry ukuthi ama client azoxabana alwe or aqamama ngoba yazi ukuthi imali angekuyijikisa.
No. It's strictly 25, 35 to 40. Now ku 25 is because Utira was uphele uye wathi no yazi ngiyenza gathering laphaya uzodwa umntwanami ufuna umbone as you are mom.
Yeah.
Then you know ngeke ukhokhele uzodwa 35 while you are girls.
Yeah.
So kwenzeka kanjalo because you are friends with Tera, like just like with everyone who industry.
Ama regular moso uyakwazi ukunegotiate nawo ne.
If baqale bayokhokha lo 35 or 40, yes, we can go. Ay mara no 25 no.
But mina into
35.
engifuna ukuyazi ne ngoba imali usukhulume kaningi ngayo ukuthi awusabi ukuthi abantu igebengu criminals are going to target you if they know ukuthi okay uzodwa siyamazi ukuthi unemali. Bayibona ukuthanda
bazwe bathi wathi ngicamba manga niyayibona nini ngibona
But uzodwa akaqamba manga nje siyazi.
Nibona ngibling angibling mina nginayo. Ngifaka ivaseline inwele zami, you know? Yeah.
And abantu abakuthandayo akube ngathi show off ukuthi yabakhabisela ukuthi nemali abaphathe awuzixaka ukuthi leyo nto baphatha kanjani.
No. Abantu anti bebathi yenza mahala, abantu bebathi ngisidakwa, abantu so lokho abakushilo, this is the time that I really need to show off. Because they've said so much, you understand?
Yeah.
So they must know. I know kubuhlungu mara nizoba strong. Avelisile nje futhi. Nje nina nje I don't worry about you guys. Sorry ngiyongixolela.
Okay.
No.
Uzodwa nangu ne ngifuna nimbone ukuthi ahola lento ayiholayo ingoba unjani. So ngicela usukume ushayele i-turn around sikubone kahle ukuthi today ungubani. Okay, nazo-ke
35 wami lo.
U-35 wakho lo baby.
40, yes.
Awusablutho.
Angisablutho noma ningathi ngumubi. Mara this is my 35.
Mina ngiyasaba ushaya ivosho ingubo yami ifishane so ngicela ungifundise ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani.
Nay.
Ayey. Okay, so impahla yakho ne?
Yeah.
Mawucela i-designer uyadesignela noma uye store?
Bayidesignela.
I-brief kazodwa abantu for impahla ithini?
Sometimes nangithengile into maybe a shop then ngiyayidabula mina then ngibona ukuthi yabo imaterial khona ngifuna ipesheke to this my designer ayenze but they know it has to be sexy.
So i-brief it's revealing.
Yeah, sexy, revealing.
Why uzodwa abantu afuna ukureveal?
Anti bathi ngimubi ebusweni.
Yeah.
So kuthiwa ngimuhle enyaweni.
So
inyawo zami zengisebenza. Yebo.
Osabi.
Ngisaba bani? Okay, umuntu engimowayo. Ngasaba labantu basemakhaya. Ngiyathanda emakhaya mara nginisabi.
Okay.
Ngizongijwayela. Ayiko. Ozala.
mina nansi inkinga enginayo nawe ne
Yeah.
ukuthi change.
Yeah.
Hlala entweni eyi-1.
Okay.
When I met you, what awufaki makeup.
I don't have makeup, Sithando sami. Anginayo nje, angiyazi nokuthi yini makeup.
But uyasiconfuse manje ngoba one day uyayifaka but uthi awuyigqoki. So
Nangisebenza. If ngishuthe into eningakayiboni esazovela eTV, uyabona njengoba nangiphuma la, ove ngizobe ngigijima ngifuna ukuyolala ngoba ngivusa ekseni. Angeke ngigibele iUber. Then athi sisi, uzodwa Wi-Fi makeup. Akazi ukuthi ngibuke uyosebenza nana ngithi. So ngifike ngiwashe ehotel.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so mase thina faka iwiki la, ufaka iphedi la uzalifaka.
I wonder iwiki Nkosi yami ngeke. Ave right ngalezo nywele zakho sisi wami. Ave right.
So
you know there was this thing ukuthi bosisi why ni feel ni comfortable ukuthi naniphathi kwabantu nigcoke lesigcoko seni but nanifika endlini nisikhumule yini nifuna sibone le ndoda manje endlini. No, I'm comfortable. Indaba, you know why I have a problem with those abakufaka lesigcoko. Bacanga ukuthi bangcono, you know. Nami ngasithenga isigcoko zibe u20. Ngeke nje lokhu ngibiza uthi ngimubi. Nifana nje nami, isele niyazikhohlisa during the day, but nawufika endlini uzifanela nje nami. Yes.
So abekho abantu o-close nabo abakhuluma lezo zinto ngoba sesiyakwazi ukuthi when people from the outside say mean things to you, you don't care.
Yeah.
But umuntu o-close, you say umntanakho athi, your son, how old is he again?
12. Yeah.
Athi but mama, ayingiphethe kahle lento oyenzayo.
Oh, mtanami. Angeke ngithi he will never say mama or why or this. He's my son. And I'm a street mom, you know. I'm a ghetto mom. So we understand ukuthi siyaphuma siyangena le angeke uyithole uzoyithola. You know, umntwanami. Ngiyamtshela nje konke engimenzela kona ngiyenzela yena.
Yeah.
I think maybe when he turns 18 futhi bazobe bemmele abobani ukuthi mama akho bheka le video this and that, but at least maybe nge-birthday yakhe maybe ngamthengela iUno, you know, I decide ukuthi uyanyusa ifastero ukuthi abheke ukuthi ama-haters athina or athi mama ungithengele iUno ukuthi ngivule iwindow ngingamameli. You know, uzozikhethela. This is my life. I will never live for my son's life ukuthi uzothini. It's mine.
Baba mgcona esikoleni uthini?
You'll be surprised. Transport yakhe sometimes maybe ucela ifoni udrive because ifoni yakhe uyayishiya ekhaya uba nayo only ngama weekends. So nefonele udriver maybe echomela abangani bakhe, then they'll be like, hi Zoto abantu with transport yakhe. No, there's no such thing. It's how you think, how you live
but
your life.
abantwana can be cruel esikoleni khulukazi. So awusabo bangayuza wena ukuthi bam-attack ngesinye isikhathi.
Hayi uzoba strong. Nami ngifike la ngifike khona.
Ngaleyo ndlela.
Ngiphume ekhaya na-16, so naye maybe itafula lakhe ufuneka alideke.
So ufunde kanjani ukuthi azivikele kulawo ma-opinion abanye abantu?
Ngiyakhuluma naye njengoba sihlezi sona. Ngikhuluma naye si-right.
Yeah.
Ezeni phasa uzoba naye yonke into oyifunayo.
Okay.
Ngimi.
Okay.
Omunye umuntu ungabi nendaba naye.
So uke wena wasitshela indaba zethu and ngifuna uqala la kodwa kuqala. So ngifunda into eziningi. So uzodwa ngathi u-evolvile uchangile usiyayifaka i-makeup kodwa i-Peruvian ngakayifake kodwa iphinda ngekalifake ne.
No.
So kodwa uke wathi wena bulala nabafana and then into engavunya abantu abaningi ngesinye isikhathi and mina angizeli ukuzokujaja ne. Because bakhona abangakhulumi ngayo into engakhulunywa ngayo and wena
behind closed doors.
Yeah, uba honest wena ngempilo yakho and I think
I've been there.
Uma kuyi-problem at least ukhona umuntu oshoyo ukuthi this is why ngila.
Oh yes.
So why bo expect imali ekseni?
Hayibo. Ngikhule ngihlupheka bese uzongithatha nje la ngihlezi khona bese nje ungisa eMelrose Arc.
So bumthanda obudayisa?
Bengamthandi. I even said on that interview ukuthi whether uthi bengidayisa or hayi no uthando yini uthando uthandana ngayingakhi nje wena yini uthando yini nje uthando
umntanami igama lakho uthando nginothando
but yini nje uthando sihlezi nje la lukhona. Do you believe alukho sana some just work hard alukho and uye emfaneni ngoba wena sofuna lento ephakathi wemlenze yakhe.
So bekuba khona i-price ukuthi this is the price?
No, not in that way.
You know,
not in that way because I know emakhaya bazoyithatha bayenze a big issue, you know. Like guys, mina ubungishela. Then ngikutshela ukuthi yabo mayi 25, irent izongihlula and anginakudla. or anginamali yokuya emsebenzini, but I wouldn't say ngoba bese ngisebenza. Like take me from 16 ngoba bengakasebenzi. So bungishayela khona mani phela bebendlula nje umbona ukuthi lo uyandlula. Nami ngidlula naye nje ngizifunela u10,000 kuye.
And leyo mali ukuyiphatha kahle, ubuyidla kalula.
Yeah, kufanele ngirentele, ngithenge impahla, ngidle. That's why ngila. That's why ngila. If ibengi
And I regret yonke leyo nto.
I don't Sithando sami, I don't.
Would you advise other girls ukuthi benze kanjalo?
No, I wouldn't. Umuntu nomuntu une path yakhe.
Yeah.
Abanye bakhule kahle, abanye bano cheese right now efridgini. Mina I never had it easy. Really njoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi benganayo insipho ogeza. So
usuyekile manje ngoba usuyakwazi ukuzenzela imali yakho.
Kudala. Maybe I was 18 to 23. You know? Yeah.
Uyafisa ukuba nomntana wentombazane?
No, I'm done. I'm done, man.
So asithi uke waba nice. So asithi umfana wakho ubaphatha kanjalo abanye abantu besifazane?
Yeah. Ubaphatha kanjani?
Ubaphatha ngokuthi okay lo ngizomnika imali ngizolala naye.
Hayibo, phela it's because I zodwa abantu is talking about these things. Yabona ninganikeza reality show. Ngahamba nale emalokishini. You will see ukuthi at least ikhulunywa umuntu hayi ngoba ngichangeile or ngizenza ngcono or now I'm talking about it because I have changed. It's happening. It's so sad, you know. Kunabantu who want to travel with me kuma bookings because bafuna to get close to the celebrities engisebenza nabo. Sodwa nje nangashelwa uphel, you know, ngivuke nje nophel, you know. Really, emakhaya nayazi leyo mpilo. Ngoba yimi, I know nizoyikhuluma nikhulume nifake nezispice this and that. No guys, okay, let me put it like this. Let me say this guy's name. Bengijola abantu aba powerful, you know. One of them, I remember ngilandwa umuntu wakhe at the Rock. I was dating uMandla Mthembu. Yes, ebengenzela yonke into. So do you think I was going around? I'm a taxi driver. No. It was exclusive. You know, ngithola umuntu lo right. Ungiphatha kahle.
So
you know uMandla Mthembu back in the days. Bamba Lamborghini. Nje, you know, ngithathela ifridge.
And why akuthanda wena?
Nginogazi phela yabona noma ngathi ngimubi. Nginogazi. Mina ngijoli ukuthiwa bathi ubhizi nabafana. Hayi. No, abafana. Hayi. Nje tokunakekelayo nje yazini uthe abave bekhuluma kakhulu ngabe bayazi.
So umuntu okade noMandla Mthembu ngaleso sikhathi ubeyazi lento?
Yes, yeah.
And ubengana stress?
Uye wangiconfront. Uye weza like give me yabo way back.
Anishayananga?
No.
Naxoxa nje?
No, I think it was more of a way uzode begcoka isupheka. I remember my iteki lami lokusebenza nje belingcolile yazichera selokishini njoba ngiyilokishi namanje. Then uphel njobe uphel afike like uyangibona mina ngubani, you know, nginemali yonke like eklasa mina as in mina ngisidwedwe but ke endodweni unamanga nje nawe upheli nje endodeni like kimi indoda you can be classy uzodwa uthi she's so ghetto. But then classy and ghetto zihambelana.
Si feel like the same sonke ngaphakathi.
Endodeni. That's why ngikutshela ukuthi noma bangazitshela babele phezulu but endodeni.
Niyazwana namhlanje?
Yes, Shem. Yes, I think we've
no
learned.
Sisi.
Yes.
No Sisi noma no Bhuti.
Yeah.
Umandla wami yaka ngoba imali isiphelile noma iyaphela into yakhona.
I think wavele wanyamalala nje Shem, abengemiyeke phela nami
ngakaqedi naye.
Yaphela.
Oh, okay.
Survive bokusetshenzwa ke.
Zazaningi into engisafuna ukukhuluma ngazo kodwa kwaze kwakuningi.
Yeah, bengazi athi ngicabanga ukuthi niyangazi.
Kanti asikwazi girl.
Ngiyazi.
Hayi ke manifuna ukumazi ke uzodwa abantu even more. #behind the story at MTV Base South at Pearl2C. You'll find her on Instagram as Uzodwa Libram. And yeah, that's her actual real surname. So ufake leyo khona. We'll catch you after the break. Let me gather myself and yeah, join the conversation. I'll be joining you as well and letting you know what happened behind the scenes during the break. But you know what? Stay with us. We'll see you in a second.
Thank you.
Wow, babe.
Zodwa Abantu represents freedom, you know, and like freedom of expression and a person being comfortable in their own skin.
I think she represents being free.
Being free, you know, to who you are and expressing yourself.
But she's very happy in her own skin. So I think that's one thing that we can take from her. Just being good in your own skin, being happy about what you look like, and yeah.
Welcome back to Behind the Story right here on MTV Base. And we're about to get into the thick of it all with Uzodwa Abantu. Hashtag Behind the Story at MTV Base South. I'm at Paul Tusi, and I'm going to get right into it because we don't have a lot of time and there's still so much that I want to talk about. So, Zodwa, something people don't know about you, and I want to address this quickly, is you've mentioned Amaflet. So, you are Lisa or Ting.
Yeah.
How are you making money out of those?
Angeke ngiwathenge ngoba ngiyaprofita.
Yeah.
Yabo i-2 bedroom ingenzela 9,000 then i-monthly installment
But
4,000.
own.
No, it's waste. Unless nginga-owner one or two, but angeke ngihlale eThekwini.
No, sengisho ukuthi uwathengile but you are rentisa awakho.
I'm listening, not owning them.
Okay. It
Yeah.
seems like ukuthi we understand ukuthi fame
Yeah.
khona la iphela khona
Yes.
noma khona khona omunye
Uzophuma
mhlambe
inyawo.
uzodwa or uzolimala or how long are you planning ukuthi lento uqhubeke nayo?
I've said it, ngiya-retire next year.
Uya-retire wenzani ma retire?
I will see myself.
Uthi ama-fans akho enzeni
I
ngasekho?
always have a plan. Sizobona ngabo because now I'm busy with acting.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. Maybe nga-retire as Uzodwa Abantu on stage. Maybe ngibe exclusive. Maybe ngicharge to have Uzodwa Abantu ngoba uretire but ukuthi ube nayo ngoba ngintshontshela because I'm so busy with other things.
What's Zodwa Abantu's next dance apart from ivosho ozovosha nje
I know
until
ivosho isangisebenzela nge-USA nge-19 zaka-April, nge-Australia ngoMay. Ngiyabezwa nje uyasibhora manje ale vosho.
Yeah.
Isanhlula namanje. Until you get it right, when I come back from Australia and USA, maybe singakhuluma into engcono.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Uzodwa Abantu angaba yini Uzodwa Abantu? I mean, do you not feel ukuthi mhlambe abantu bangangakuthanda just because of your body? Because the way you dance, that's your talent.
Yeah.
But did you purposefully use your body to get ahead and you're not ashamed?
Yes, I use my body. Yabona, with this fame that I have, if it was about my face, ngabe sengiyi-face of what, ngabe sengithi.
I did my research and I found out that, okay, so you own a home, you're building a home for family.
Yeah.
And you've got these flats as well. You're raising
Yeah,
your child.
for income.
And apparently, uzozenzela yakho ishisa nyama. Uzobe exclusive lapho kuleyo shisa nyama kuphela noma
You know,
usayicabanga leyo.
Chisa nyama, I've made a research NL spread because ngibone imarket yakhona
Yeah.
inhle isa grower but engabona ukuthi kunabo Pearl too singathi baza nzima kabe bane chisa nyama ene swimming pool this and that. So engathuka kancane ukuthi imali yami ngathi izophelela to competing ngoba nabo I think banemali kakhulu.
Yeah.
So I'm going manje, you know, angeke ngithi I'm going ngoba yebo ngiyathenga nyana inkomo angifuni ukuthi nithi ngithenga ifama ngoba nizothi ngithenge ifama. Bese nithumela ama-journalists bathi sibonisa ama-slip ale farm. Nizozithengela inkomo ezizoba nje egcekeni like ziluswe nje.
Yeah.
Inkukhu, imbuzi. So as much as I'm making money, if you decide ukuthatha ama 18,000 awuthu ngiphinde ngi-add ezinye inkomo eziwu2 ngizoyenza kanjalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
So bekufanele ngiqale ngale nto ne but ngizoyenza manje.
Okay.
Sihambile sayobuza abantu ukuthi bafisa ukwazi ini from wena ne.
Yeah.
So I think ngidlalele le video ke manje ubone ukuthi bathini. These are from your fans and from the streets and I want to you can respond to whichever question you choose to respond la ne.
Yeah.
Zodwa, would you go out with me? Once. Just net. Once.
The question I would definitely ask her, I think it's on everybody's mind. Are you really comfortable in doing the things you do? Is it just something that comes natural to you? Because I would like to just flaunt my skin everywhere and just show everything, all my parts, just like she does. Because I feel like she does it pretty dope. I'd like to ask her, like, what goes on in her mind? What's the mentality? What's the process that you take to actually do that? What's the process? Because it's pretty, like, surprising and cool because she's unique in it.
Okay, so she gets a lot of negative, like, vibes from people. So I'd ask her, like, how she's able to still bounce back from that and still give us all that all that positive energy that she always gives us. So that's one thing that I definitely ask her.
I would ask her why does she do what she does, you know, and why she look like that.
If ever I meet her, I'd love to know what inspired her taking the decision of being in this industry and doing what she does.
There you
Wow.
So-
There's no bad stuff, you know. They really understand
go. People
me.
just want to know.
Yeah, that one guy said, I wish I could do it. So bafuna nabo said that basaba ukuthi abantu bazothini.
Yeah.
It's who I am, you know. Even now, if we can say just Zota, take off everything and walk. I'm comfortable in my own skin.
Take off everything and walk.
Are you gonna pay me? So I know the painted thing is so taboo, you know, but there's so many women who don't wear panties. There's so many women who really want to be like me, but basaba umakhelwane.
Yeah.
Basaba ukuthi ubani uzothini. Abanye basaba ukuthengisa itamati to make a living ukuthi alala adlile nabantwana bakhe ngoba usaba umakhelwane. What I'm trying to teach anyone out there, hambo thengisa itamati. Yabo nami, I'm reminded every day bathi Zodwa na uzophupha uzoyenzani. Guys, mina noma ngiphupha yabo manje ngoba uTiri ukwazi ukungifakela imali accountini yami enhle, ngiyakwazi maybe ukuya ku doctor hayi ngoba ngibalance ngalo ya doctor. Yabo mina nase ngiphuma ngithi I retire, ungabi nenkinga nami nongibona kwi government clinic. BU kunabantu abagulayo abasaba ukuya clinic because umuntu usaba ukuthi bazothini. You understand? That's why imedia idibana nathi ekhambeni kwesikhathi bathi so uphuphile awunamali because you've changed how you were living. Live as how the fame found you.
Yeah.
So that noma so wenzekelani akubonakali, you still the same girl.
Yeah.
Yabo mina I got famous because I was carrying that drink. Beka manje.
But uzenzela wena still or
You
wenzela ukuthi bangakhulumi kakhulu nabo.
Ngizenzela mina. That's my drink. I love it. I afford it. Yeah, afford.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
ngicela ukukhuluma indaba yepaint. Mina ngiyalithanda ipaint. Just out of a hygiene, ngithanda
Yeah.
protect into yami yabo.
Okay.
So wena awuyisabeli yini le umlingo osebenzayo wena?
No.
What's this magic?
Down there is down there.
What do you mean?
Down there is down there. I know there's vaginal creams. Yeah, I do clean. I know abantu but hamba lo nento yakhe nje awazi nokuthi ivuke kuphi.
Yeah.
No, is that clean or lezi?
Umfana wakho engasashada nomuntu ogqokisa kwakho ohamba njengawe awunankinga awuna stress.
Sithanda sami yabo mina uzodwa then my son.
Yeah.
My son uzoba into ayifuna ukuba yiyo. You can tell your girl umthengele ne-helicopter, your girl uthando. Nathi ufuna i-taxi driver.
Hayi ngaqali.
Ngiyokwenza lutho. So you see you appel
Yeah.
uthando. Rather instill good values, love most importantly. You see I was crying because you touched love on my mom's name. You understand? Because emhlabeni awusekho uthando, on social media awusekho uthando. Vele funeka uvuke nawe with that attitude ukuthi yazeni ngiyavuka, I'm going out there. Yo, angifuna ukuqedelela kyo. So
into eshiwo Celeste Ntula ikuphathanga kabi.
no, you know. Yabo mina nawukhuluma something.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuphendula there angifike endlini ngithi yazini ngabe bengithe uSelesi Ntuli. No, I felt ukuthi ukujwayela kabi because she's in the same industry. She's doing her, I'm doing me. Bengezwe ukuthi omunye umuntu osestradini. Owasestradini, ngiya understand ukuthi they'll never get a chance abe ku MTV base.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So Selesi Ntuli, she has her own, you know, things. Then wazovuka nje kuseni athi uzodwa she's so disgusting. Ubani yena? Azothi kunamantombazane who are not given so much attention.
Yeah.
With the work that they do, then there's someone, as in me, or nikezwa coverage, cause the women who dance without panties, like Sisi, bungenwe yini.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa
Yeah.
Celeste uzwile ngiqala ngesicala
she
sakho babes
knows.
but ngingedwa ngokugcwala
She
manje.
knows.
Okay, I know. At least you've been honest. For me that's the most
Yeah,
important thing.
mina ngikhale endlini ngithi upheli.
Uthe?
I wish you understand. Then I gossip. Sengifika maybe kwi management ngithi oh yazi upheli this and that. Mina pheli ngizokutshela 99 ngoba ungisukela. Do you think mina ngakuphaphela? Mina ngeke. Angeke noma ngezwe bakhuluma ngawe. Ngizothi mina in my eyes uPearl, she's a woman. I follow her umsebenzi wakhe this and that. Ukuthi ngiyazi une beef nobani bani inini angihlangene mina, to me I respect you, you are Pearl. Lo ne beef nawe uzozibona when it comes to me.
Why did you say no to taking a picture with Skolopat?
It's my choice. Now ungala nje nasiqeda la uthi awufuni uzodwa ke gqokuphenti mina sengude kabi. I have movies and ngihola this much. You understand?
So is that Nansen Velen Nxabene, were you guys already not okay?
No,
Nani right
that's
before?
the day when everything was thrown out as in like.
But why did you make that choice? Usushilo ukuthi kwakuyi choice.
It's a choice. Everyone makes a choice, Lave.
But why on that particular day did you make that choice?
Oh, maybe ngivuke ngaphuzanga ikofi. Serious.
Ima awuthandi into ayirepresentayo, awuthandi impahla zakhe.
I don't want to say anything about her. Anyway, I said this. I won Drama Queen of the Year, so there's no more Skolopat. Let's not talk about her. When's Anje, like any gig, Mona with celebrities, shows? No. I'm the one. I'm in.
Awuyindawo.
Just keep mina. I know. Mina ngiyophupha nasing it. I retire. Hayi nje.
Back to indaba yePenty sesidlulile ke kulabo.
Okay.
Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi mawufika esikhathini ngaleso sikhathi senyanga ngoba uthe awunalo nelilodwa, so
I don't.
wenza njani?
Really, women emakhaya.
Wenzani? Mina
Tampons.
but iyalenga mos intambo yakhona.
Hayi yami yabona with this thing esinayo la kumnandi khona. Nasithinto ngibophelela khona ngithi ihlale nje ithi. Like,
Are you serious?
come on. Like anti zamubona semakhaya ukuthi angekilenge ngathi manje I'm stupid. Ngiyayibophelela ke lapha, you know?
Ihlale nje ibe still.
Yes.
And uhambe uyoshaya for futhi ona stress.
For sure. Ukayibona wena into yakazodwa? No. Awukaze. Bathi bazokhuluma engathi bayayibona engathi bakhe bathi nayi.
Okay, there's so much more I want to discuss. I think we should have had a 2-hour special with Uzodwa, but isikhathi asikho, unfortunately.
Okay.
Quickly, I want you to say yes or no, or
Yeah.
Wu ongafuni umshado noma ucabanga ukuthi khona uzokushada?
Angufuni.
Awufuni.
Yeah.
That's fair enough. And finally,
Yeah.
and I'm so happy that you came, by the way.
Thank you so much.
What is next for Uzodwa Libram or Uzodwa Abantu?
I have my emails, Afrotainment, there's a movie. We're waiting for dates. Then I just shot my second drama series. Then there's a third, Futi, Afrotainment. We don't have dates for shooting. Then, yeah, I'm traveling. Ngiyazi ngiyahamba ngiyemboma Zambia ngijikiswe ngibuye the following day ngoba ngixoshiwe. But Zodwa is traveling Africa yonke, uzodwa uye USA, uzodwa uye Australia. Yonke into ifinalize Afrotainment, as in pick up to Terra. So ngicabanga njengomuntu ongafundanga ukuthi I live my day as I wake up, ngiyaphefumula, nginamaqanda u2, nginesinkwa, nginerama. Then I let the universe give me what's mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As Uzodwa Abantu, uma khona abantu abangakufuni, then ibapha abantu Uzodwa athanda uyibona.
I would say abantu abarelate kimi. I think we all have that kasi thing in us because asikhulelanga emasabapeni. Yes, we have worked up ukuthi sibe la sikhona manje, but we have that thing instead that abanye imali bamoldile, but that inner thing yaphuma nje ukuthi asilokishi.
To the people who don't want you in Zambia and Zimbabwe,
It's only the law, as in maybe lawyer 1976 section 54. I abantu.
but they say you don't represent the Christian values.
Ngihlangana mina nesonto lakho. You understand?
And
abantu who relate to me, who drink, who go out, who have problems, who wanna distress, they relate to me.
Iyakujabulisa wena ukuthi ngabona amanye ama-cartoon newa apostwa wena futhi ukuthi khona abafazi aba-uncomfortable ukuthi amadoda abo afuna ukuzokubona.
Oh yes.
Like people's husbands are being chained at home because of you.
Yeah, you know, I have someone that I'm dating and I love him. I know kunabantu besifazane abangisabayo because amadoda wabo they think azongishela or ngizolala nabo. If ungizonda, yes, you should be scared of me. If angizondi, I will respect your man, I will respect everything emalana nawe nendoda yakho.
Okay.
But now ngizonda, I think ila ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi yabo njoba upheli and njoba uyi-yellow bone and ungithatha kancane mala ngakwazi ukungena ejuvethini lakho.
Okay.
Ngithule futhi ngikubuke kanje ngithi avuzitshela.
But ubuyazi.
You don't.
Thank you so much for coming to speak to
Thank
me
you
and
so
being,
much.
as always, so open and honest. It's quite
you.
refreshing to have guests like yourself.
Thank you so much.
Because I also can be like that. So thank you so much. I hope God continues to bless you and your son and the rest of your
Yes.
family abundantly. I'm sure the country also wishes you nothing but the best. You've entertained us, you've been honest with us, you love us,
Yeah.
and we completely love and appreciate that. And I wish you
so
nothing
much.
but the absolute best. And that was Behind the Story with Uzodwa Wabantu right here on MTV Base. Make sure that you continue the conversation at MTV Base South, at Pearl Tusi on Instagram. She is Zodwa Libram. And guys, hashtag Behind the Story, by the way. Thank you so much for joining us again. We are back for yet another explosive season, as you can see. And it's going to stay, I hope, at this type of level. And it's going to be really good. So there's a couple more episodes coming through. You are going to have fun with us. We will see you next week. My name is Pearl Tusi, and I absolutely adore you. Have a lovely evening further.